Hey, this is Michael from 256 Mike on YouTube. All right, my 2006 PT Cruiser. Okay, I think I got the problem fixed already. I checked the harness wire, everything with my wire tractor, wire cable tracker. That's what it's called. And I checked, and I didn't see none of the harness wire. No short in the wire, no broken, no nothing. So I'm like, okay, well, it all looks good. And I've been working on it for days now. I make sure I checked it like 3 times. Perfect. So I was like, man, what can be the problem? So I went to the junkyard, and I got a TIMP. You see it right here? You see this thing right here? This is the old one. Okay. Because you see what Chrysler, they didn't put no relays. You see? There's no relay in the box. Because they put everything in here. Your computer for the transmission, everything is here. Look, this fuse little bunch right here, you see this piece of crap? Because this is the biggest junk I ever seen. I mean, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep. I think they all got this same thing, this same system. The worst. I mean, let me tell you something. Anytime I go to the auction to buy a car to flip it, I'm going to stay away from Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. I'm just going to stay away from them because I have dealt with them way too many problems, and the problem always comes down to one big headache: electronic problem. Some short, something. I mean, I don't know. I'm not going to invest my money in them no more. It's just too much of a headache. So, yeah, you see this part right here. This is the part that connects to the transmission. I think this is the part for the transmission, and then that's the whole part right there for the rest of the car. So, another problem. Your front windshield only works on high. If it's not your motor, if it's not your switch, then guess what? Right here. TIMP. Brand new, they're between $800 and $1,000. Yeah, and they're saying that you gotta get a reflash. But I went to the junkyard. I got a 2006 that I saw right there. I'm like, oh, it's crashed. Perfect. Let me get it. Bum. I got Tim out. I think it was like 40, 50 bucks for this thing, something like that. And I put it on, and I drove the car back and down, and up and down, back and up, and I went around. I went everywhere back here in the woods, and I drove for around 20 minutes. Transmission shifts perfect. I mean, there's no check engine light, no nothing. I'm like, well, it's working perfect right now. So another thing you're going to do, this is what you're going to do, because I'm going to do the same thing. After you put it on and the problem goes away, I don't want you to go on a faraway trip, because I don't want the thing to come back up the check engine light, and then your car goes back into limp mode. Boop, boop, boop. Doesn't pass second gear. So what we're going to do is I'm going to leave it overnight. It has the battery. The whole car is already put together. Everything is perfect. I'm going to leave it overnight. Tomorrow I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to take it for another spin. Because the last time when I put a new battery in it, and remember, this is a car that I bought just to flip at auction. I will never keep a Chrysler or a Dodge or a Jeep. I will never buy one of those cars for myself. No. Too many electronic problems. And it's like they all got the same problem. So one little thing goes out, you can't change the relay. Look, you got to replace the whole thing. It's like they did it on purpose. Oh my God. Well, they lost a customer here, because I'm not even going to buy no more of that brand in the auctions or nowhere. I don't want to flip them. No. I'm okay. No, thank you. I'd rather buy a Benz, okay, a Mercedes-Benz, and I will have it running, and I will figure the problem out like that, because they're easy to fix, than this headache. This is a headache. And it's not the first Chrysler or Jeep or Dodge that I have dealt with, and it's always the same thing. Electronic problems. It's like, come on. And then you have no room to work in the engine. It's like you got to pull out the engine, just change a little thing. Nah, I'm done. No, thank you. You lost a customer. Sorry. Sorry, but this crap right here that you built, you put on your 2006 and 2007 PT Cruiser. This was a slap to every loyal customer. A big slap on the face, for real. So, you lost me. I will never buy another one. It's that easy. And look at this thing. It's not even waterproof. Look at this thing. It has holes everywhere. Look, look. Let me show you. Let me show you the holes. You see the holes right here? Let's say you put the plugs, but look at all these holes. And then this thing sits right there. Any water, anything jumps in there, or it gets in this box and it's fried. It's fried completely. You are done. You screw. So, nope, not for me. So, what I'm going to do is this. Tomorrow, I'm going to drive the car again. I'm going to take it out another 20 minutes driving. Nope, the check engine light doesn't pop back up. That I don't think it will. Then that's it. The car is ready for me to put a for sale sign and sell it and get away from it. But yeah, I'm going to leave it overnight. Everything is hooked up. The battery is on. Let that battery, recharge this piece of crap right here and everything and all the piece of crap that it has in it. And I'll let you guys know tomorrow. I will put in a comment on the bottom of the video and let you guys know. But yeah, my friend, just your best bet is just go to the junkyard, find your PT Cruisers crashed up, and you got to get one of these. And it has to be the 2006 or 7. I think only has this on the PT Cruiser. The rest all had the nice relays that you can just replace. Now, Chrysler say, oh, no, that's too easy. We're going to make it hard on our customer. Yeah. Oh, well. Not a customer here no more. All right, people, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. This is Michael.